Good morning, everyone. I hope everybody is doing fine. Now we have completed up till question number exercise 6.1. So we'll be moving in two-dimensional solving of equations, linear inequalities. Okay. So now see, with one numerical, your concepts will be clear about how to do that numerical. Okay. Now starting off, we have x plus y is less than 5. Okay, first of all, you make a graph for x plus y is equal to 5. I hope everybody knows how to make a graph. You've done this in right from class 7, 8, class 8, 9, and 10. You put x equals to 0, you get y. You put y equals to 0, you get x. Now, when the graph is done, so this is a graph. Now they have told you this thing. It's less than graph, right? So you come down. That's it, nothing else. You shade all the portions down as they have shaded and making sure that this line is dotted. See this line? This line is dotted because it's not equal to, right? It's less than graph. In case this would have been equal to, then you will have to write this thing. Now, what about the statements? So first of all, you make a graph and then you put 0 comma 0 in that graph. You put 0 comma 0 out here. Matlab, you put x equals to 0, y equals to 0. 0 is less than 5. That's true. That means origin will be included. Area shaded, nothing else. You just have to make sure you copy all this down first, and you have to copy all this down. Okay, and then you break it down in your own sentence around 3 to 4 points per numerical. Okay, giving it all the points in fact. Okay, you have to mention all those points, why you have taken dotted, why you have taken it a solid line. Okay, solid line, this would have been a solid line if this would be a less than equal to graph. Okay, now pauses the video down and note it down. Hurry up. I'll give you a second. That's it. Now moving on. It's 2x plus y greater than equal to 6. Now since greater than, you automatically you think it's above graph. So you draw a graph for 2x plus y equals to 6. As soon as the graph is done, it's greater than, then shade the upper portion and you see it's equal to graph now. That is why this has been a solid line. Okay, and out here I have to write the solid line also. Okay, if you don't write, marks will be deducted. Cleared? This is called 1 and this is 2. There's just a made 2 because they take 2 as what is shaded portion. You shade it with pencil or you just give a dash 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 line, nothing. Okay, that was for your question number 2. And now what you have copied in question number 2, you don't have to copy for 1, you don't have to do it for 2, but you have to write it in your own words, that including 0 comma 0, put 0 comma 0 here. 0 is greater than equals to 6. No, that is why origin, this origin out here, it's not included in the shaded area. That is why it's gone above the opposite direction. Okay, I feel this much is clear for you. We're doing more of this numerical, 2D numericals. Okay, same thing goes for this thing. It's less than, so it will be coming down. 3x plus 4y graph is the same. This one, it will be coming down. Origin will be included. You have to keep the origin, but this is a trick, giving in the, if less than, we put it down, greater than, put it up. Okay, but when the equality, the negative sign comes into play, that time you have to check for the origin portion, that it's coming or not. Okay, so you have to write all the statements out here. Now question number 4, same thing, bring this to LHS and you get this kind of a graph, and origin will be included. Why? Put 0 comma 0 out here. 0 is less than minus greater than equals to minus 8. That is why origin is included. Okay, freehand drawing will not be allowed. Scale and pencil should be there. This was for your question number 4. Okay, please see through. You have copied, you have written all those required statements or not. First point, so you have to draw the graph. Second point is you have to mention that origin, taking point origin will be included or not. If it's not included, you shade the opposite portion and you have to mention which portion you have shaded by taking it as quadrant 1 and quadrant 2. And lastly but not the least, you have taken a solid line or a dotted line. These 3 points you have to measure. If it's equal to graph, then it's a solid line. If it's a only less than or greater than graph, then it's plain, it's dotted line. That's for question number 4. Coming to question number 5, these all numericals are the same, that is why I'm going it through once. Okay, question number 5, you have same thing, you draw the graph x minus y, you know the graph how to draw 0 and y when origin will be included, because 0 0 is less than 2, that is a solid line. Out here you see a clear solid line, and origin is included. Shed the area, that is why I have to write 3 points as I've told you in the previous. Just rotate, go to the previous portion of the video and listen to what the 3 points I have said. Okay, and implement it in all the numericals. One same 3 points is going to be repeated in all the 3 numericals. Okay, if anybody is having any sort of a doubt, please ask me. Question number 6 is the same. In fact, question number exercise 2 and exercise 3 is the same. That's why 3 will be laid more stress. 2 is, it's just the uh, byproduct of what you're going to learn in question exercise 3. It's less than, so dotted line obviously, and you have greater less than, so down portion, nothing else. All the numericals are the same, you don't even have to put 0 comma 0, but still you have to mention in the numericals that we have included that point. It was just a short trick that I've told you. Okay, so that's it for this video. Make sure you complete this exercise. One numerical I'll show you, question number 9, y is less than minus 2. Now y is equal to graph is on y-axis. Okay, when it's less than, 0 is less than, so 0 is less than minus 2, no, 0 is greater than minus 2, that is why origin will not be included, that is why the down portion is shaded. Same thing goes for x is greater than minus 3. Okay, all the numericals are the same, just basic concepts should be clear. You should know how to draw the graph of x equals to 1, x equals to 2, or x equals to a, y equals to a, y equals to b, or y equals to minus b. That's it for today's video. Make sure this exercise gets completed for you, and if anybody faces any sort of, definitely try and solve it out. Okay, thank you class, and have a wonderful day.